I would just like everybody to know that this is what it's like to mow with my $1,800 snapper rear engine lawnmower that I bought so I could stand it up and work on the blade. But you can't stand these up anymore because, as you can see, there's no bars, no nothing. Everything's made to stick out and be in the way. Briggs & Stratton did an excellent engine job, but the rest of this hunk of crap, wouldn't give you 10 cents for, and deeply, deeply regret buying. So I'm gonna get on here now and crank it up. You'll see Briggs & Stratton did their job. But this is what Snapper did.